Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 4. This module, we're going to be talking about numbers, times, and dates. So make sure you check out everything under the readings. There's a couple different things about, saying the date and saying the times and the numbers. There's also videos. And then under the listening, you're going to hear people say their phone numbers. And that's the same like what's on the quiz, like similar to what's on the quiz. So make sure that you can understand those. Then there's something else here that says upcoming assignment pronunciation project number 1. So next module, module 5, we have our first pronunciation project, which is where you're going to read a text that's in module 5 and aim for clear pronunciation. So there's just some videos here that go over the vowel and consonant sounds. So you want to start reviewing those, like, it's important always, but especially before the pronunciation project. So again, just start thinking about that and going over the vowel and consonant sounds. Okay, we have the homework packet and speaking assignment like always, and the quiz like always. And like I said, the listening is similar to what's on the quiz, so make sure you understand those. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.